Anyway, so here's the H bridge. This is the high side, and so this is the left side, and then this is the right side, and then this is the high side, this is the low side, and the same here, this for the right side, the low side and the high side, and then the MOSFETs. Here's the hip chip, the MOSFET driver with the capacitors and everything, and then what I have is a DC converter. The batteries I have are 24 volts, so they are fed into this DC converter that converts it into 12 volts. That is then also fed into the Arduino, so you can power the Arduino, and then we supply that into the drain of the MOSFETs to run the motor. So I guess I've written a simple program to kind of, do a PWM, so it'll speed up the motor, then slow it down, and things like that. Now, before you hook up any load to your, or even you connect the MOSFETs to the driver chip, what you want to do is take the, I think it's pin number, let me see, 18. You want to take pin number 18, which is the, I think, high side, the low side output, and the other one is pin number 11, which is also the low side output. And you want to make sure the output on those without any input is close to 0 volts. My problem was it was giving 12 volts and it was kind of shorting the H bridge, which can blow things up. But anyways, so I'll connect the power now to the batteries. Alright, so that powers the Arduino. Now we're gonna go ahead and power the H bridge. Circuit. There you go. So you can see the motor start spinning. So it's gonna start ramping up in one direction, and then it's gonna slow down. So what I have is just a for loop, and it's gonna go in the other direction. And I mean, for this, the MOSFETs are running pretty cold. There's no overheating or anything, and yeah, so that means the H bridge is working fine. There's no problems, and maybe what I can do now is hook up a big motor, which eventually this thing will drive.